Hey Lily, it's Orlando with Soaring SEO. I appreciate you clicking on this video. In this video, I simply just want to show you three things that you guys are able to implement yourself to get you guys more customers through the door. And now, if you're asking yourself, why would I be making a video like this? The reason being is I've seen that multiple majority of business owners simply don't have the time to come in here, do the research on the internet, and see how it truly impacts the growth of a business. And I've seen that even when it's time to outsource this type of stuff, there's a huge hesitation there because you don't know who's an expert and who isn't. Now, I've seen that by setting a video like this with tips and tricks that you're able to implement yourself, like I said, has resulted in a lot of these companies coming back and saying, hey, you know what, Orlando, we don't have the time to do this. Would you be able to help us out? So, Lily, if by the end of this video you like what you've heard and you believe that I have plenty of tricks up my sleeve that can really benefit your company, send me a message and we'll chat. Or if you simply just want to use these tips and tricks I'm about to show you yourself and implement them, that is absolutely fine with me. All I ask for is a review on how I did on the video. So let's get right into it. The three things that I want to talk about is content, citation, and backlinks. Now, with content, that's going to be the most important thing. The average website on the first page of Google when on a search, the ones with the most authority, they have about 1,500 to 2,000 words worth of content, and that's gonna be including like pictures and videos that you can name them, what you save them as, and then what's behind them. So if we come in here and we grab everything that you have worth of content, or what's content in Google's eyes here, we grab all this and we put your information in. You have 618 words worth of content. Now, that's not bad. And getting to that 2,000 mark, I would just aim for that 2,000 mark just to really blow your competition out of the water. But that's not going to be a big deal. You guys are an HVAC company. You just really explaining into detail a little bit more on this homepage, the services that you guys do provide. I know you guys have pages, sub pages here, but you really want to put that information on this homepage so your potential customers, when they're coming in here, they can see exactly what you guys do provide. Now, you don't just adding in content, you want to add in there keywords or key phrases that you can actually get found for. Now, what a key phrase is something that somebody would type into the search bar here on Google, would type in when trying to find some type of service or whatever they're trying to find. And in this case, I typed in HVAC repair Fort Worth, Texas. Now, if we come in here and you can see here that it's getting 90 searches every single month. So by you guys not being on this first page, you guys are missing out on a lot of potential clients. So if we come in here, grab this key phrase and try to find it in your on your homepage, it's nowhere to be on there. So when you're writing up this new content, you really want to just add that bad boy in there a couple times just so you can get ranked. That's how you're gonna get ranked on Google is the keywords that they're searching up. You need to have that included into your content or somewhere in there, and that's gonna be including even pictures. Maybe you save a couple of these pictures as HVAC repair Fort Worth, and that's gonna really help you guys out in getting found by people that are actually looking for your service. Second tip that I have for you is citation. Now, the citation is going to come in with this map area, Google Map Pack or Google My Business, whichever one you want to call it. Now, all the citation is the name of your company, the address, and the phone number. Now, you're trying to get your citation or contact information in as many directories as possible. You want to, some of the bigger platforms of that you can go out and get, and if you're not already on there, I'd highly suggest to get on there, is like Facebook, LinkedIn, Yellow Page, Yahoo, local Yahoo, Yelp. I know all those are the bigger platforms that you want to get, but the thing is what you really want to do is you want to grab what your competitors have. So you want to see what your competitors have. Obviously, the citations that they have on their website, it's working for them, so it's gonna work for you. Um, and here in a second, I'll show you a tool that I use personally to in order to see the competition and see what they have going on. Now, the third thing that I want to talk about is backlinks. Now, with backlinks, what it is another website linking back to your website, giving you authority in Google's eyes. Now, what you want to do with backlinks, they're not all created equal, so you really want to watch the type of relevancy. The that's going to be the key thing is the relevancy in the website that you're going out and get. You don't want to go out and get, say, some restaurant or something like that because you guys aren't in the restaurant game, and Google's going to see that, and it's not going to give you the power and the authority that it would have if it would have came from a website saying maybe another HVAC company in Texas area, Fort Worth or Dallas, as contractors, subcontractors, things like that, that would give you the authority and the power that you need in order to get ranked up here in this top 10. Every page has 10 websites, so you want to get up here in this top 10. The tool here that I want to show you, the way that I see all the information necessary to do this is called Ahrefs. Now it is a couple $100, and that's just because of the reason that I'm use this because I'm in the industry. But there's plenty of tools out there that you can use that are for free. Just type in their backlink checker or citation check or keyword check on Google, and you'll be able to find these free tools. Now, if you can see here, this is your website. So it's getting, you have 9 referring websites linking back to your page that's bringing you in 31 backlinks. Now if we come in here to one of your competitors, Baker Brothers, you can see here on the same thing is he has over 1,000 referring websites that are linking back to his page that are bringing in over 10,000 backlinks. Now that's going to play a big factor, and the reason being that they're outranking you, and you can see them that they're right here on this home page on they're ranked number one is and that's where this is going to come in, where you just basically come in here, see exactly what they have going on, see the backlinks that they have, but see the websites that they're getting these links from. So this is where they're going to come in here. So you can see here, you can see a list of the websites, trustlink.org, and some of them you're going to have to pay for them. Some of them you're just going to have to contact the owner of the website and say, hey, I want to put a link on your page. Some you might just have to simply sign up to the page. All of them are going to be a little bit different, but that's going to be the main thing. And you don't just want to necessarily just do that with Baker Brothers, but Fort Worth Air Condition, Pro AC Repair, Calvary Service, all of these guys that are ranked up here, because obviously if it's working for them, it's going to work for you. Um, Same thing, you can see here that you guys don't have any keywords that you're getting found for, so that's going to play the big factor, especially if we come in back in here and see what Baker Brothers has as far as keywords. So you can see here that they have over 10,000 keywords that they're getting found for and matched up when somebody types in something on Google. So you can see here that they have some plumbing in the nearby areas, Plumbers, Dallas, Texas, plumbing, AC Repair Dallas. They're in the first place, and that's getting 700 searches every single month. Fort Worth AC Repair, that's getting 300 searches every single month, and they're ranked number one for that position. You can see that here, the volume, that would be the amount of searches every single month. So you can see here what you're gonna have to do in order to start ranking yourself up there, and by matching yourself up by the very best and seeing exactly what they're doing, it's very doable, and it's going to be very easy to outrank them and be able to blow them out of the water. So that kind of wraps everything up, Billy. A quick little recap of everything. Site content is 1,500 to 2,000 words. You guys don't have any keywords that are getting found right now, so by adding in the HVAC repair Fort Worth in there a couple times to the new content that you guys are going to add, that's going to really help out. And then maybe even name a couple of these pictures and icons as HVAC repair Fort Worth, and that's really going to help you guys out. Citations, Facebook, LinkedIn, if you guys aren't already on there, I would just highly suggest to. Backlinks, like I said, they're not all created equal, and you just want to go in there and see what your competition has, because obviously if it's working for them, like I said again, it's going to work for you. You really just want to watch the type of backlinks that you have in there. Don't want to go out there and get a restaurant or something like that. You guys aren't a restaurant. Google's going to see that in the relevancy to the field of your work. So with that, if you guys have somebody that's doing your marketing for you and doing your website for you, I would just show this video to them, show them this informative video and see how they can help you guys out. If not, if you guys don't want to waste your time and save yourself some the headache, and you guys need someone just to really do this all over again and then write the proper content on here for you so you can get found, and do the backlinks and really start catching up to this high competition, let me know. You can give me a call or send me an email. I appreciate your time, Lily. Have a good one.